Hello, I am Muhammad Ragarasa Sugandi. I'm here as the project lead of COVID-19 epidemic data pipeline. This project uses big data with 5 key aspects: volume over 400,000 rows, velocity from daily updates, variety of cases, vaccines, and economy, veracity needing cleaning, and value for policy insights. And then the data set, coviddata.csv, contains daily records from many countries with key columns like date, country, cases, vaccinations, and economy. The last thing is the pipeline. Starts from a raw CSV, loaded into Spark, transformed and cleaned, analyzed with Spark SQL, and ends with insights shown in dashboard.
My name is Muhammad Nova Faisal. I'm a role system engineer. Our system runs on Google Cloud using Apache Spark as the main engine for large-scale data processing. Spark simulates a Hadoop environment, where Hadoop manages distributed data storage and Spark performs fast in-memory computation. There are two main big data architectures, Lambda architecture and Kappa architecture. Lambda architecture includes a base layer for processing large historical data and a speed layer for real-time data. Kappa architecture uses a single streaming layer that focuses only on real-time data. We chose Lambda architecture because our dataset is updated daily, making it suitable for batch processing rather than continuous streaming. This is the code to build a Spark session. As you can see, the Spark session is active. This means our big data environment is successfully running and ready for the next steps of data ingestion and analysis.
My name is Brandon Joe, the data engineer. My role is to take the raw, unstructured data and load it to our big data ecosystem for processing. For this demo, I'm simulating an HDFS upload by loading the coviddata.csv file directly into our Spark environment. Next, I will perform the PySpark load using spark.read.csv with header equal true and inverse schema equal true to create our raw data frame. Once loaded, I will check the schema using dfrawPrint schema. With that, my text data ingestion and schema validation is complete. I will now hand it over to our big data developer for data transformation and cleaning.
I'm Muhammad Afnata, and I'm the big data developer. My job is to run the Spark processing job based on Module 5 and 6. First, I load the raw COVID-19 data from HDFS into a Spark data frame. Next, this is our main Spark job. It cleans the data by fixing the date column, selecting only the columns we need, and filling in missing values with 0. Spark is lazy, so it hasn't run yet. It only runs when I call the action. I will use show to run the job now. Here is our clean data ready for analysis. Finally, as required, here is the DAG execution plan, which shows how Spark ran the job.
My name is Brandon Joe. I am the data analyst. My first query is for Insight 1, the global KPIs. I select the max of total cases, deaths, and vaccinations where location equals word. This gives us our main headline numbers for the entire pandemic. With total global deaths more than 7 million deaths. For Insight 2, I find the continent rankings. I query the max cases per million grouped by continent. This gives us a fair proportional comparison of which continent was the most affected. As you can see, this shows that Asia was the most affected by the pandemic. For Insight 3, I find the global pandemic waves. I sum the new cases by month to find the peaks. As you can see, this clearly shows the massive Delta and Omicron waves. Finally, for Insight 4, I analyze economic impact. I query debt per million for high income versus low income groups. This show disparity in the pandemic impact.